Can you upload pictures to your Facebook through your Oculus Quest? Can you upload videos to your Instagram account through your Oculus Quest device? Can you make an audio call or video call on Facebook or Instagram through your Oculus Quest? These are all the questions that we're going to be answering in this video. So you guys should stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Let's find out what we can actually do on Facebook and Instagram through our Oculus Quest device. So we're right inside our Oculus Quest and we're going to be opening Facebook and see what we can do with Facebook. Open Facebook. Facebook has opened. I think I have two messages on Facebook. One is from John Gomez and the other one is from my friend Obina. Some messages, some notifications. Okay, so without wasting time, let's just go straight and see what we can be able to do on our Facebook. Okay, let's go and try and see if we can reply messages on Facebook. Hey bro, how are you? It's been long. Let me open it. Okay, my keyboard is already out. Yes, bro. I am fine. And you? Click on send. Okay, it's like he's online. He's replying me. Good, long time. It seems that we can be able to make an audio call to this person since this person is online. So, but before we do that, let me first of all see if I can be able to upload an image or a video. This is Facebook. No, still in Ivory Coast. Okay. Okay, let me stop replying this guy because this guy is going to take our time. So what we're going to do now is try and upload an image. Okay, let's go here, click on photo and image, stroke image. Click on it. Let's see if we can access our storage in our Oculus Quest. So I'm going to set this. I don't want people to see this post. I'm going to set it to only me. Only me can see this post. Done. Okay, click here. These are some of the pictures and like two videos I have in my Oculus Quest. So this is some of my thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, like this one. Most of you guys know this one. Here is 15 USD per hour, and this one Pioneer, and this free instant $5 any country. So let me upload this, and once we upload this, I will still go to my Facebook on the system later in this video and check it. Select this. Okay, it's already here, and I set it to only me. I'm going to click on post. Okay, it's posting. Wow. This picture is now on Facebook. Okay, so if you go to my wall, my Facebook wall, I think you should be able to see it. This is my personal Facebook. That is it. It's here. So from here, let's check if we can also upload video. Click here. Go back to my storage. This is a video I just uploaded. Select just less than a few seconds video. It's not up to 1 minute. Select it and it's here. Okay, not public. I want it to be only me. Select only me. Done. Only me can see this video. Post. Okay, we're going to play this video also and see another video and check another video on Facebook and play and see how it feels. So this video has finished uploading now, and it's saying your post will notify you once it's ready to view. Okay, let's go back to Facebook and try and search for any other video and play the video and see how it works. Scroll down. Let's look for any video. Okay. Okay, let's try this video. This is a video, um, a video advert. Let's play it.
Hey, welcome to the brand new version 3 of Subtitle. For me and the team here at Subtitle, we're super excited to bring you this new.
As you guys can see, this is playing, and Facebook has alerted me that my video is ready. So let's go and play that video that we just uploaded. Okay, so we can actually upload images and videos on Facebook. So, but we're going to be making an audio call to that my friend that I just chatted now. But before that, let's go to Instagram and check what we can actually do on Instagram. Let's open Instagram. Okay, open Instagram. This is my second Instagram. Oh, let's see. This is okay. Let's play this video. This is presidential candidates. Great, greatest, yo. The great youth of Nigeria. Great, 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 greatest, yo. So let's move on. Let's go and see if we can upload image and video on Instagram as well. So click on the plus icon, select from device, image. Let's select this one, $15 per hour. Select. Nice. Click on next. Okay. We can actually change the picture. The same thing we do on Instagram. We can actually do it on this image. So click on next. And you can still type some things, put your location, but I'm not going to put any location. Click on share. Let's see. Your post has been shared. Okay. So add from here. This is the image. Okay. The image is not full because it's Instagram. I think I will have to delete this. Delete this image. Let's go to the plus icon again and select from device and select this video. Select. Let's see if it's going to load. Okay, is that? Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on share. So your post has been shared. Okay. Let's go back and check the post. This is the video. So let's delete this video. So we're going to go back to Facebook, and let's try and make an audio call to a friend that has been waiting for me to call. Let's go here, Messenger. He said, I am waiting. Okay. So let's click on audio call. So I'm placing an audio call now. Connected microphone default. Let's see if it's going to ring.
Hello?
Yeah, hello, John.
Yeah,
How are you?
yeah, I'm good, bro. And you?
I'm okay. It's been a long time.
Yeah, really, really. Wow, I miss you.
I miss you too, bro. How is life over there in Ivory Coast?
Man, we are just managing, we are maintaining ourselves,
Wow.
know?
So what's the deal? What's
Things,
the plan?
man, I don't know. Things are very tough on my side.
Yeah,
I
it's
just want
tough.
to travel, man.
It's
And
tough.
things are very tough all this time throughout the world.
Yeah, it's tough everywhere in the world, not just in Ivory
Yeah,
Coast. It's tough here in
exactly.
Nigeria. It's tough in United States, in United Kingdom, although life is quite better over there. But generally, all over the world, things are quite somehow since this year.
Yeah, yeah. Since the time we came back from our travel, the COVID-19 took place, and after that,
Yes.
the war in Ukraine, and
So many
we
other
still
things,
have.
economic
Yeah.
crisis, and so on.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So how is your
So
family?
how is it? Yeah, they are all good. They are all good. They are all well, man.
Wow,
They are okay.
good.
And yo,
Yeah, everyone is fine. Everyone is perfectly okay here.
wow, yo, man, I'm so happy to hear you.
I'm so happy to hear from you too. It's been a while.
Yeah, yeah, really.
Yeah.
Wow.
I
So
just
how are things there? Are you thinking of traveling again, or?
yes, I will travel, but this time around, before I travel, I have to like make a solid plan and know exactly where I'm going, and I don't want to visit any part of Africa anymore. I need to go to
Okay.
Europe, Australia, Canada, or United States. I don't want to go to any part of Africa or
Yeah,
Asia.
myself. I thought about maybe going to Canada to establish myself there with my family if possible, man. Then it needs a lot of money also.
Yes, yes, exactly. Going to Canada, you need a whole lot
Hello,
of money before you go to Canada.
hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, are you getting me?
I can hear you. Yes.
Yeah, I was saying that I was thinking about Canada also because it is better to find ourselves maybe uptown there instead of being here.
Yeah, Canada is better, but the thing is with Canada is it needs a lot of money.
Uh huh.
You have to like before you go to Canada, you should have about 15 or 20 thousand dollars
Yeah,
for
that's
the
true.
movement, visa,
That's true. And
ticket, so many other things. Expenses.
yeah, very expensive.
Yeah.
And it's not easy even to get that cash to do that.
Yeah, it's not easy. Things are just quite somehow now. Things doesn't play out the way it used to play out before. But all the same, we have to like keep pushing, and we can't
Yeah,
just fold our hands and just wait for miracle to happen. We are men, so we definitely have to do what we have to do to make the ends meet.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I'm so happy to hear from you. I'm in the middle of something now, and I'm with a friend, and I just decided to call you to hear from you. Maybe later in the evening we'll talk much better.
Okay, 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 no problem.
All
I'll
right.
text
All
you.
right. Take good care of yourself, bro.
Nice day, bro.
And you too. Bye. Wow. So, as you guys can see, we've made a call and the call went very well. I think the voice was also very clear. The internet was flowing, everything is fine. But I don't think we can do a video call. I'm going to go back a little bit. Go back to Facebook. Let's see. I'm going to go back to Facebook. Let's see if I can initiate a video call with let me try someone else. Let's see if I can initiate a video call. Let's try this. We spoke for 4 minutes. So let me try this. Video call. I don't know if this person is online. Couldn't connect to your camera or microphone. So that means video call is not available on Quest. So guys, as you guys can see, what we can do on Quest, we can upload images and videos on Facebook. We can upload images and videos on Instagram, and we can make audio call on Facebook, but we can't make video call on Facebook. So that is why I didn't want to go on and start trying video call on Instagram, because Quest has no camera. So that is why it could not initiate a video call. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, or if you would like me to do any kind of video about virtual reality or Quest, please leave a comment in the comment section below this video and I will answer to your question. Okay. So if this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Aswikena Kingsley. Shit. NEPA has taken light. Nigeria. We'll continue the video when they bring light, because if I on the generator, there will be so much noise in the video. So guys, I'll have to stop the video for now. Finally, they don't bring back the light. You see why everybody for this country wants Jaba. Meanwhile, if this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Aswikena Kingsley, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekends, I make videos on new apps and games in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified once I upload any video. If you have any question or anything, please drop it in the comment section below this video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.